Welcome to our Forex trading channel. I am Jenny from Everyday News 365. Join us for tips, strategies, and insights on the world's largest financial market. In this video, we're going to show you how to install MetaTrader4 on your laptop. MetaTrader4 is a popular trading platform used by millions of traders worldwide. It's a great tool for analyzing financial market, conducting trade operations, and automating trading strategies. It was developed by the Russian software company named MetaCode Software Corporation, and it was released in 2005. So to get started, visit the MetaTrader4 website. This will take you to a page where you can choose to download the software for Windows or Mac. So select the appropriate options for your operating system and click download. Once the download is complete, open the installation file and click Next to begin the installation process. Accept the terms of the license agreement and click Next again. Choose the installation location for MetaTrader4 and click Install. The installation process may take a few minutes. When the installation is complete, click Finish to launch the MetaTrader4. You will be prompted to enter your login information, which you can obtain from your broker. You can also try to have a demo account or to create a real account. So once you've logged in, you'll see the MetaTrader4 platform. From here, you can access a wide range of features including charts, trade history, market analysis tools, and more. So that's it. You're now ready to start using a MetaTrader4 on your laptop. So we hope this video has been helpful and we wish you the best of luck in your trading activities. So if you like this video and you think it helps you, please like this video. And if you still want to know other details about Forex, please subscribe on our YouTube channel or click the notification bell.